Hi, it's Ed Kaminsky. What the heck is escrow? It's such a common question, and the confusing part of escrow and escrow costs is this challenge. Escrow is a company and escrow is a process, and they are two completely different things. And that's where people get confused when it comes into the cost of escrow or closing costs, or what does it cost to buy a home. So I'll quickly define the difference. An escrow company is a company. They're actually a neutral third-party company. It is where the paperwork sits. The buyer puts their money into the escrow company. The seller puts the deed of the house into the escrow company, and once it's confirmed that both are sitting there, they make the switch. And that's what an escrow company is designed to do. They're not allowed to make that switch until both match up. That's an escrow company. The escrow process is really from the day your offer is accepted to the day you close. That's the process. That's the escrow process. So you buy the home, you write a contract, you open escrow, you open a title insurance policy, you do your home inspections, you apply for a loan, you go to the bank, you bring your money in, and it takes about 30 to 45 days. That's the escrow process. During that process, there's a number of fees that start piling up. You have a title insurance fee, you might have paid an appraiser, you have transfer taxes, and some other miscellaneous fees that your bank may charge you if you're the buyer. These are called escrow fees, or closing costs rather. The escrow company that manages that process also charges a fee. That is the escrow fee. So you have escrow fee and other closing costs. Your total of that is called your total closing costs. So hopefully that helps you understand the difference between escrow and escrow process. Furthermore, I want to add another important aspect about escrow companies. I had said they are a neutral third party. So what does that mean? If you're the buyer or the seller and you have an expectation of something to happen and somebody's not doing what they're doing, can you call escrow and demand that to happen? For example, you're a seller. The buyer's supposed to close escrow on Tuesday. It's Wednesday. Can you demand escrow to give you the buyer's deposit? Because the purchase contract says if the buyer doesn't close, they lose their deposit. So why can't a seller call the escrow company and say, give me the money? The escrow company is neutral forever. They cannot do anything until both parties sign a document stating the exact same thing. Until that happens, escrow arms are they're tied. They can't do anything. The buyer must agree to the seller's request. The seller must agree to the buyer's request. Then they can move forward. If there's a stalemate, that's when lawyers get involved and try to work out things, whether you mediate or arbitrate or go to court or whatever you do to figure it out. Escrow then will follow the rules or decision of the court. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to make a comment down below. Thank you.